If you're running a B&B business and you think you're in the B&B business, then this could be shooting yourself in the foot. Just let me explain. Running a B&B business is a demanding and rewarding occupation. And if, like me, you've been running yours for any amount of time, you'll know that to be true. But here's the thing. While you're busy running the business, doing laundry, cleaning rooms, cooking dinner, chatting to the guests, and any other daily tasks that need doing, here's my question. Who's getting the guests? I believe that we first need to be in the marketing business and focus completely on finding, attracting, and nurturing potential guests. This puts us firmly in the driving seat of our business. When we figure this out, we don't need to rely on large booking engines who take commission. We don't need to be at the mercy of review sites or the local tourist office or wonder how many people will show up this weekend. That's more like wishing and hoping than planning and expecting success. When we understand how to uncover our unique talents and gifts and put them at the disposal of our target audience, i.e. those who will value and pay for what we have, then we learn to systemize and automate the whole process. We are definitely in control, and that, in my opinion and in my experience, is a safer place to be, especially if we're in a challenging economy. Think like a marketer, act like a hostess, and you'll immediately be in the top 1% of B&B owners who actually get it, that being in the B&B business is not your primary focus. Marketing is. If you like this video, then let me know in the comments below, and if you want to know when I post the next one, then please subscribe below to my channel to get priority notification, and I'll see you soon.